So, I've decided to dive into generative AI in 2024, and wow, where do I even start? There are so many models out there. I mean, you've got ChatGPT, which is like everywhere, but then there's Gemini, Google's latest. And let's not forget Llama, Meta's contribution to the chaos. But hold on. There's also Claude from Anthropic, and then there's Mistral, XGen, and even Falcon. It's like every time I turn around, there's another LLM popping up. Am I supposed to learn all of these? And then the technologies. Oh boy, where do I begin? There's transformer architecture, the backbone of so many of these models. Fine tuning, apparently I should know that too. Then there's prompt engineering, which is like crafting the perfect question to get the answer you need, but it's not as simple as it sounds. And there's also diffusion models, GANs, and VAEs. Those are for image generation, I think. Oh, and I can't forget about RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. And then there's multimodal models, text to speech to text, embeddings, vector databases. My brain hurts just thinking about it. So, what should I learn first? I guess I'll just start somewhere and hope it makes sense eventually. Actually, you know what? Since there's so much to figure out, I decided to create my own pathway. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to map out a clear learning path for myself. And hey, why not turn it into a video series? We'll go step by step through everything I'm learning. Maybe together we can make sense of all this generative AI madness. Before diving into prompt engineering, it's crucial to build a strong foundation in artificial intelligence and natural language processing. AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative technology that's shaping industries and redefining the future. By understanding the basics of machine learning, deep learning, and how these concepts interlink with NLP, you'll gain insight into how machines are learning to understand and generate human language. This knowledge is essential as it directly connects to how AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini operate. As we move forward, you'll see how these foundational concepts are applied in creating intelligent systems that can interact with humans in increasingly sophisticated ways. Starting with the basics, you'll begin to interact with AI through simple text prompts. This is the foundation of prompt engineering, where you learn how to craft instructions that the AI can easily understand and respond to. Whether you're asking a question, summarizing text, or creating a piece of creative writing, the way you phrase your prompt can significantly impact the AI's response. In this section, you'll practice and refine your prompts, experimenting with different structures and wordings to see how they change the outcomes. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini will be your playground, showing you the direct correlation between your input and the AI's output. By the end of this stage, you'll have a solid understanding of the mechanics of prompt crafting and how to optimize them for clarity and effectiveness. As you move to the intermediate level, prompt engineering becomes more about strategy and sophistication. Simple prompts are useful, but what if you need the AI to perform more complex tasks? This is where advanced prompt structures come into play. You'll learn to use templates, variables, and even conditional prompts to guide AI behavior more precisely. Whether you're extracting data, analyzing content, or orchestrating multi-step tasks, this stage teaches you how to leverage the full capabilities of AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. It's also a time to experiment, refining your techniques through trial and error, and learning from real-world case studies. This is where you'll start to see the real power of prompt engineering and how it can be applied to solve complex problems in a variety of domains. At the advanced stage of prompt engineering, you'll push the boundaries of what AI can do. This is where you'll learn to fine-tune models like ChatGPT and Gemini, tailoring them to specific use cases that meet your unique needs. Fine-tuning allows you to take control of the AI's learning process, guiding it with carefully crafted prompts that are aligned with your objectives. You'll also explore how to integrate external data sources, employ techniques like prompt chaining, and use conditional logic to create sophisticated AI-driven solutions. This stage is about precision and innovation, taking the foundational skills you've built and applying them to complex, real-world challenges. It's where prompt engineering transforms from a technical skill into a powerful tool for creativity and problem-solving. Finally, we turn our attention to the practical applications of prompt engineering. Here, you'll see how the skills you've developed are being applied in the real world to solve complex problems and drive innovation across various industries. From product development to customer service, content creation to educational technology, prompt engineering is making an impact. Through detailed case studies, you'll analyze how companies are leveraging AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini to enhance efficiency, improve customer experiences, and create new opportunities for growth. You'll also explore the challenges faced in real world projects and the solutions that prompt engineers have devised to overcome them. This section is not just about learning, it's about inspiration and understanding the true potential of prompt engineering in shaping the future of AI and technology.